So today I received my power supply for my Dreamcast. So I got this from Ailexpress as well. So I just didn't order it at the same time. So you get the little power supply right here, instructions, and you get, I think this is for the back. Let me see something. Okay, so that's better. So you get the Dreamcast power supply right here. So this is just a clone. So this is for the back. So it won't be just a big gaping hole. So, and the instructions. So I already got it tore down. So the only thing I didn't get was the little power supply. So I'm gonna try to use this. It's a old power supply from a wireless router. So I'm gonna see if this works. Okay, so I have removed all 4 screws off the Dreamcast, took the top off. And if you had your Dreamcast power up, you just press the on and off button. This is not electricity. Like it uses it all, so you can actually touch it, but you don't have to actually like touch anything right here, like the transformer right here. So you just take these screws off right here. So this is the first one. Then you got this one right here. Okay, that's better. Press this little tab. You can pull it straight off like this. So it lines up with these holes. You see you got some holes in the back. Line it up and just push it down. And just use one of the screws that was provided. And it's installed. So this is for, I don't have to use those capacitors. I think it was 2 of the 1000 kilo ohm capacitors. Okay, so you just slide this in. So it looks something like this. I need to either figure out how can I clean my plastic on here so I get that bright white. A little bit too close. So you just push it in just like this. You know what? You really don't need this plastic either, because it's not going to short to anything, so. Okay, so let's test the power supply now. So I'm still using the Wi-Fi power supply and see if it works. So it works. So this power supply is, okay, come on, focus. Okay, so it won't focus. So it's a 12 volt, 1 amp, so that's low. And it is 60 hertz as well. So the other thing is I want to put on here is, so when I put my controller, like it works, but you have to wiggle it first. So see my controller? So if I wiggle the port, see if I press it down, it's on. If I move it up, it's off. So I'm gonna fix this as well. Okay, so I'm plugging the power supply, cycle this on and off. So we're gonna be taking out the 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're gonna be removing this ribbon cable. Okay, with this, for the fan, make sure you be careful and just don't yank it. Like, because you can actually like break this part off, because you can see I'm just moving it just a little bit and it's moving as well. See? Okay, I'm gonna set this to the side. Okay, so I got my phone zoomed in, I think to 8. But if you see right here, so I'm gonna have to resolder that. So the solder points are broken right there, and on those 2 as well. So I'm just resolder on those 3 points. And everything else looks good so far. I'm gonna just resolder like all those points right there. Okay, so now I'm ready. Okay, so the only thing I'm doing is just melting it and just letting it go. So just like that. And last ones. Okay, so we got clean now. And the joints looks good. Okay, so let's install it now. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, so it's working. So now just gotta put everything in place, unplug it, discharge the system. So I just gotta figure out a way to clean it. I really want to paint it. So this how it looks. Look on the back. Okay, so I got the Dreamcast back together. Got the controller. Nothing's messing up. So right there. See, I can go to different games and stuff like that. It's not messing up or anything. See? Gotta clean my controller. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.